Would you believe this pile of rotting timber is actually a forgotten masterpiece waiting for a second chance? For decades, it sat here, ignored by the world, until we decided to bring it back to life. The local owner thought its journey was over. To him, it was just junk. To us, it's history. With 2,000 Egyptian dinars and a handshake, we secured the future of this ancient vessel. Every move is a risk. This wood is so brittle it could turn to dust at any moment. The first leg of the journey begins. Destination, our restoration facility in the United States. Thousands of miles across the ocean, carrying a piece of Egypt to American soil. Welcome home. Now, let's see if we can actually save what's left of this EGY-CARVE 1920. Phase 1 is the assessment. We have to be gentle. The wood is almost like wet paper. We are using modern technology to map out every single missing piece of this ancient puzzle. Getting down to the core, we have to remove everything that's dead to find the life underneath. Stabilizing the structure is key. This resin will give the ancient wood the strength to survive. Sourcing the right wood is a challenge. We need a perfect match for the original Egyptian cedar, the first new cut. This marks the transition from decay to rebirth. Every curve of the EGY-CARVE 1920 is intentional. We must honor the original builder's vision, steam and pressure. We're bending modern materials to fit an ancient mold. It's a slow process, but piece by piece, the skeleton of the boat is becoming whole again. Removing a century of wear. Beneath the grime, the true character of the wood is returning. Restoring the art is just as important as restoring the structure. History is in the details. The bead designs hadn't been seen in their full glory for over 100 years. Structural integrity is now restored. She's strong enough to face the water once more. The old wood is thirsty. This conditioner brings back the natural oils lost to the desert sun. No more gaps. Every joint is now airtight and stronger than the day it was built. The eyes of Horus. These were meant to protect the boat on its journey through the afterlife. Hand sanding for hours. There are no shortcuts when you're aiming for perfection. A tribute to its origins. We're engraving its legacy into the very heart of the hull. The transformation is becoming real. That dull, gray wood is now a rich, deep mahogany. 7 layers of varnish will ensure this boat stays beautiful for another century. The oars are back. These aren't just for show, they are fully functional and perfectly balanced. Waterproofing is a science. One tiny leak could ruin months of hard work. Ancient art meets modern science. This bond will never break. Standing tall once again, the silhouette of the EGY-CARVE 1920 is finally complete. The final polish. We're making sure she looks as good as she sails. The difference is staggering. From desert trash to a maritime treasure, the moment of truth is here. It's time to see if she still remembers how to float. Touching the water. 100 years later, and she's back in her natural element. She floats perfectly. Not a single drop of water made it through our seals. Smooth, silent, and elegant. This is exactly how the ancients intended her to move. A forgotten Egyptian relic, reborn in America. This is why we do what we do. The EGY-CARVE 1920. Restored, revived, and every old nail removed tells us about the craftsmanship of the past. Gentle heat is sometimes the only way to peel back the layers of time. Precision to the millimeter. Precision we cannot afford to picture. Creating a custom color that respects the boat's century-old Egyptian heritage. The perfect match. It looks like the wood was never even touched. Even while we sleep, the restoration process continues as the layers cure. The morning reveal. Every day she looks more like a queen and less like a wreck. Patience is our greatest tool. This one section took us over 5 hours. Beauty on the outside, but strength on the inside is what makes a boat last. Using period-accurate materials ensures the EGY-CARVE 1920 stays true to its roots. Laser technology allows us to remove centuries of grime without scratching the original grain. We are literally turning soft, decaying fibers back into rock-hard timber. To restore an Egyptian boat, you have to use the same tools the ancients did. Every piece of this 2,000 dinar puzzle is finally starting to fall into place. Softening the edges gives the boat a weathered, yet perfectly maintained appearance. This epoxy seal will protect these delicate carvings from the harsh American humidity. New hardware, cast in the old style, provides the strength needed for modern rigging. Our mark of quality, placed alongside a century of Egyptian history. This final layer is our shield against the sun, ensuring this color never fades again. We leave nothing to chance. If there's moisture hidden inside, we will find it. The sail is authentic Egyptian linen, woven to the exact specifications of the 1920s. Every stitch is done by hand. There is no room for machines in this level of restoration. Weight distribution is perfect. She's as light as a feather and as strong as steel. The interior is just as beautiful as the exterior. Built for comfort and durability. A hidden blessing for the new owner, tucked away where only the boat knows. The steering is smooth. She will respond to the slightest touch on the water. The last speck of dust is gone. She is finally ready for her public debut. Behold the EGY-CARVE 1920, a masterpiece resurrected from the grave. Everywhere she goes, she turns heads. This isn't just a boat, it's a conversation piece. The final destination. From the muddy Nile to the crystal clear waters of the coast. Reborn. A title earned through thousands of hours of meticulous labor. Stable, secure, and ready for a new century of memories. She's alive. You can feel the wind breathing life back into her sails. Speed and grace. This boat handles the water like she was built for it yesterday. Total control. The craftsmanship ensures a sailing experience like no other. In a world of plastic boats, be the one that carries a soul from the past. Beauty that doesn't fade when the sun goes down. She, from a 2,000 dinar wreck to the pride of the harbor. Mission accomplished. Never underestimate the power of restoration. We don't just fix boats, we save history. The EGY-CARVE 1920. What masterpiece will we bring back to life next?